5. Food we eat. Children, the fifth lesson in the course book is Food we eat. And now we will do the workbook part for the fifth lesson, Food we eat. The first bit here is write F for fruits and V for vegetables. Children, here are given some pictures and these pictures are of fruits and vegetables. You have to identify which is a fruit and which is a vegetable and write F for fruits and V for vegetables in the given boxes near the picture. Now let's do the first picture. The first picture is that of an apple. Yes, this is an apple and apple is a fruit. So we will write F for fruit. We will write F for fruit in this given box near apple. F for fruit. And the next picture is that of a cauliflower. This is a cauliflower and cauliflower is a vegetable. So we will write V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Cauliflower is a vegetable. So we are writing V. The next is pineapple. This is a pineapple. Pineapple is a fruit. So we will write F for fruit. We will write F for pineapple because pineapple is a fruit. Next, this is a lady's finger. This is a lady's finger and lady's finger is a vegetable. So we will write V. We will write V for vegetable. And the next is, this is a brinjal. This is a brinjal and brinjal is a vegetable. So we will write V for vegetable. The next picture is, this is watermelon. This is a watermelon and watermelon is a fruit. So we will write F for fruit. F for fruit. Watermelon is a fruit. So we are writing F. Next, this is spinach. Spinach is a leafy vegetable. Spinach is a leafy vegetable. So we will write V for vegetable. And the next are grapes. Grapes are fruits. So we will write F for fruits. F for fruits. Grapes are fruits. So we are writing F. Apple is a fruit. So we are writing F. Cauliflower is a vegetable. We are writing V. Pineapple is a fruit. We are writing F. Lady's finger is a vegetable. We are writing V. Brinjal is a vegetable. We are writing V. Watermelon is a fruit. We are writing F. Spinach is a green leafy vegetable. We are writing V. And grapes are fruits. So we are writing F. Children, this is about the first bit. Now we will move to the next bit. Two, fill in the blanks. In this bit we have three sentences. These sentences are incomplete with the blanks in them. We have to fill in the blanks with correct words given in this box. A. We eat dash in the morning. And the here words are breakfast, lunch, dinner. So what do we eat in the morning? We eat breakfast. So we will write here breakfast. We eat breakfast in the morning. B. We eat dash at night. We have here lunch, dinner. So what do we eat at night? We eat dinner. We will write here dinner. We eat dinner at night. C. We eat dash in the afternoon. We eat lunch in the afternoon. We will write here lunch. We eat lunch in the afternoon. A. We eat breakfast in the morning. B. We eat dinner at night. C. We eat lunch in the afternoon. So this is about the fill in the blanks second bit. Now we will move to the next bit. 3. Tick or cross for the following statements. Here we have 3 statements. Some statements are wrong and some are correct. So for the correct statement we have to put a tick mark. For the wrong statement we have to put a cross mark. For the correct statement we will put the tick mark. For the wrong statement we will put the cross mark. Now A. Chocolates are good for our health. Chocolates are good for our health. This is a wrong statement. So we will put a cross here in the box. Chocolates are not good for our health. B. We should skip breakfast. We should skip breakfast. Children, you should never skip a breakfast. You should always eat a breakfast. So this is also a wrong statement. We will put a cross here. C. We should chew our food properly. We should chew our food properly. This is a correct statement. This is a true statement. So we will put a tick mark here. So this is about the third bit, tick or cross. For the correct statement we have to put a tick mark. For the wrong statement we have to put a cross mark. And this is about the third bit. And now we will move to the next bit. The next bit here is 4. Let's answer. Here we have few questions. We will read the questions and write the answers. A. Why do we eat food? The answer for this question is we eat food to grow and stay healthy. B. Write any 2 good food habits. The answer is 1. We should wash our hands before and after every meal. 2. We should chew food properly. C. Name some healthy food for our body. The answer is fruits, vegetables, milk, egg, curd. These are the healthy food for our body. D. Write 2 names of fruits and vegetables. Here in the answer we will write 2 names of the fruits and 2 names of the vegetables. First the fruits, apple and banana. Vegetables, spinach and potato. So these 2 are the fruits and these 2 are vegetables. Apple and banana are fruits. Spinach and potato are vegetables. So these are the answers for the given questions. You can write these answers in your workbook. And this is about the 4th bit. Let's answer. Now we will move to the next bit. The next section here is let's do it. Complete a picture story. Take help from the box. Children, here are given some pictures and some sentences. This is a story of a girl Neha. Using the words given in this box and with the help of the pictures, we have to fill in the blanks with the correct words and complete this story. What are the words given in the box? Let's read them. Sick, doctor, fruits, junk, injection, vegetables, healthy, milk. Now with the help of these pictures and the words we will fill in the blanks. Neha used to eat. The picture is of chips, which is junk food. So we will write here junk. J-U-N-K, junk. Neha used to eat junk food every day. She fell dash. Here she is sleeping on the bed, means she is sick. So she fell sick. S-I-C-K, sick. This picture is that of a doctor. So dash gave her an dash. This is an injection. So doctor gave her an injection. We will write here injection. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. I-N-J-E-C-T-I-O-N, injection. He told her to eat dash dash and drink dash every day. So these are fruits. We will write fruits in this blank. And these are vegetables. We will write vegetables in the blank. And drink dash, and this is milk. We will write here milk every day. He told her to eat fruits, vegetables and drink milk every day. Neha followed his instructions. She is a dash girl now. So here the word should be healthy. She is a healthy girl now. Children, we have completed the blanks by writing the correct words, and now the picture story is complete. Neha used to eat junk food every day. She fell sick. Doctor gave her an injection. He told her to eat fruits, vegetables and drink milk every day. Neha followed his instructions. She is a healthy girl now. So children, this is about the let's do it from the lesson Food We Eat. We have completed the workbook part for the lesson Food We Eat.